na yan. Nana.
Open pa kami, maaga pa.
Yes.
Hanggang alas 5 tayo dito ng umaga.
Ma! Talaga ba?
Hanggang alas 5 ng umaga.
Inabot na doon.
Na ngayon'y wala na sa ating piling. Araw-araw ang dalangin ay may yakap kang muli at makinig. Ngunit paano ba ang pag-ibig mo'y magbabalik? Batid ko na nasaktan kita ng labis at sinabi ko sa'yo'n kakaya ko limutin ka. Bakit ngayon hinahanap kita? Ikaw pa rin ang nais ko, damang-dama ng puso ko. Mahirap na kaya isip at damdamin. Ikaw pa rin ang hanap ko, mapapatawad pa ako. Ulit-ulit sasambitin, sinisigaw ng damdamin. Mahal pa rin ikaw, biniw ko. Kasama mga sandali dati anong saya. Pili-pili halimutin. Bakit di maaari na wala ka na? Ngunit ba ang pag-ibig mo'y magpapalik? Bakit ko na nasaktan kita ng labis? at damdamin. Ikaw pa rin ang hanap ko, mapapatawad ba ako? Ngunit sasambitin, sinisigaw ng damdamin, mahal pa rin ikaw, iliw ko. Thank you so much.
Nagkakantahan ko rin sila.
Kanta ka na, B.
Baka may gusto kayong mga kanta pa ha? Ihabol niyo na po yan.
May gusto pa po kayong i-request sa amin. Ayan, request lang po. Mahaba pa po ang oras.
Yes.
Hanggang alas 5 po tayo dito ng umaga.
Hidden.
Ito na po tayo matutulog.
Two old friends meet again, wearing all the pieces, talk about aces. Two old sweethearts met apart somewhere long ago. How they need to know someday they meet again. They had a need for more than reminiscence. Maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels alright. Maybe this time love won't end. It's the same old feeling back again. It's the one that way back when they're too young to know when love is real. But somehow some things never change, and even time has through the flames. It's burning brighter than I did before. It had another chance, and they take it. Maybe this time it'll be love and the fun. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, yeah, it feels alright. Maybe this time love won't mayroon pa po kayo mga request ha.
Mga bata. Maglalaro tayo.
Nagsasara na sila.
Someone you found it. You want me to believe that you're still here. How can you hurt me this way? Everything I do is loving you. How could you die pretending your love was never ending? No, you can even say that you were safe. How could you say you love me when you were never leaving? How could you make me cry so bad when I hung over your words and never one can do? Get me to pain that I'm feeling now because I'm loving you. How can you hurt me this way? Everything I knew was loving you. How could you try pretending your love was never ending? Now you can't even say that you were how could you say you love me when you know I live me? How could you make me cry so bad when I could love you more than anyone can do? It believes to pain that I'm feeling now because I'm loving you. I can't seem to understand how can love be so unkind. It's still broke my heart despite my love. It's still my love was not enough until I given you my heart. I can't take it anymore. How could you say you love me when you went out and left me? How could you make me cry so bad when I could love you more than anyone can do? It believes to pain that I'm feeling now because I'm loving you. Thank you so much.
Thank you po sa mga pumalakpak.
May nakaano din. Naka-appreciate din.
Oo. Oo
Kaya,
naman.
pwede po kayo kumanta sa
Ang taas ng
po.
boses.
Ayan.
Oo nga.
Malapit na po tayo magtapos
Yes. Kaya,
sa ating palatuntunan.
oo. Kaya ihabol nyo na yan. Kumanta na kayo. Mag-request na kayo.
Sa mga may gusto Warren. Warren support.
What?
Warren support. Support si Warren. Support si Warren.
Ano ba yun ah?
Ay, ito ba yan? Support. Support natin support.
Ako na yung tuloy.
Hindi ka na, Sir
Ay,
Warren.
mawawalan ka ng trabaho.
Ayun. Bawal na po. Ano?
Halika na po, Boss Warren. Sino pupunta sa mundo sa inyo? Kami o yung ano?
Susunduin kayo ni ano?
Yung puting ink.
Susunduin kayo ni Ryan.
Oo. Halika na, boss.
Baka may gusto pa kayo ipakanta.
Oo.
Ano pa ba? Request na kayo.
Natatakot sila mag-request.
Bakit kayo?
Kasi daw may bayad.
Wala.
Ganun talaga.
Nagbayad ko ano lang, timpla.
Oo.
Baka may mga request pa. Yung mga gusto kong ipakanta sa akin siya. Habang di pa kami naubos yung oras.
Yes. Lahat ng kantang matataas alam namin. Kaya namin.
Talaga, pe.
Ang lagay eh.
Ha? Sige na, request na kami.
Halika na.
Ay, uwi na sila, uwi na kayo. Bye-bye. Ingat po.
Ingat po. May commercial. Dali na, request na.
Lumayo na yung lugar.
If I were to live my life again, I'd say love you the way I am. Love is something no one ever can replace. I can't imagine life with someone else. How desire to share my life with you. Forever may not be enough, it's true. My heart is filled with so much love I feel for you. The words you say, how much I love you so. And forever's not enough. Oh, it's to love you. I spend another lifetime, baby, if you ask me to. There's something I want to do. Forever's not enough. Oh, it's to love you so. They say tomorrow seems so far away, and now we see that everything can change. I love how you get stronger as tomorrow comes. I know this love will stand the test of time. And forever's not enough. Oh, it's to love you. I'll spend another lifetime, baby.
Sir, wala niyo napakanta ka pa ba? Sir, wala.
Oo. Baka may request pa kayo.
Ha? May hardware doon.
Nahagagawan.
Try mo na yan.
Titirahin ko na to. Dahil si boss, titira din yan. Titira ng ano. Oo. Meron talaga kami yung mga boss.
Bulgogi Rice, kisarap lutuin. Try the new UFC
May
Korean
masaya
style
na tayo
food
sa
shop.
mukha niya,
Kisarap
patay
talaga.
tayo. Parehas tayo may black eye dito. Uy, ayun. Tapos na. Tapos agad yung kanta. Yan. Hope you like it, boss. Aww.
Are you Jack? Jack, where are you?
Every night matters. I see you, I feel you. That is how I know you. Go on. Far across the distance and spaces between us, you have come to show you. Go on. Near, far, wherever you are, I believe that's the heart does go on. Once more, you open the door and you're here in my heart. My heart's will go on and on. Look and touch us one time and ask for a lifetime and never let go till we're gone. Love was when I loved you, one true time. I hold you in my life, will always go on. Near, far, wherever you are, I believe that's the heart does go on. Once more, you open the door and you're here in my heart. My heart will go on and on. There's nothing I feel, and I know that my heart will go on. We'll stay forever this way. You won't say
ka down payment ko.
Alam mo. Baka gusto ko na magwala dito.
Kasi ano yan eh?
Parang gusto ko na magwala dito.
Kasi,
Yan
kakantahin namin yun.
na, yan na may dumarating na.
Eh na, bumubunot na. Binubunot, balis na.
Dapat mabawi yung
Thank you po.
pinampili ko dito ng Shein.
Oo, hindi Shein. Antibiotic kasi bibili natin mamaya eh. Taas niya no.
Subukan ko lang ito sa Ruano. Huling kinanta ko ito.
Ilang piling na narinig, nakikipula sa digma, natanong na hanggang kailan, paano na, pagod na. Akala ko ikaw sa akin pa pero hindi na pala. Wala na nga ba talaga?
Magaling naman mag-request ni Sir Warren.
Kung kailan pa huli, baka mamaya batuhin na tayo.
Baka naglag panty. Meron pa ba? Last ano?
Hindi mo ka lang nagpanty, makabasag iglog. Makabasag iglog. Ano ba?
Ano pa ba?
Ihawan niyo na.
Ano po? Baka may gusto kumanta.
Oo, ihawan niyo na. Konting minuto na lang. Oh.
Ano? Asan? Halika na po.
Let's go!
Asan?
Kasi na.
Susunduin natin.
Susunduin mo.
Susunduin ba natin yan? Sunduin
O baka yung puting ilaw ang susunod.
Sunduin ko ba?
Sunduin mo na! Sa'yo sasama yan. Pag ako sa mundo dyan, hindi yan kasama.
May pamasahe pag sinundo.
Oo. Lalamog.
Joyride.
Yun na yun pala.
Kilala ko to si Sir, kumakanta to eh. Sa ano, sa CR. Halika na Sir.
Ayan, si boss.
Check upin ka po niyan.
Check up mo kita. Kung dala mo, ayun. Kung dala mo yung wallet mo, charot.
Dala ko ba yung ano, susi ng bahay niyo?
Oo.
Senior ko si Sir, kilala ko to si Sir. Galante din to, kilala ko. Galante ko si Sir, di ba? Kilala